Today, we are going to walk through the key differences between the operator, technician, and maintenance user permissions on our machine. So let's think about why we need different permission levels. Well, the reason is pretty simple. Most operators on the plant just need to run inspection and keep things moving, but engineers or technician staff, they need deeper access to set up parameters, adjust the settings, and fine-tune the system. That's where different access levels come in. Let's start with the operator permission. As we can see, there's no password needed, just a click and we are in. It's designed to be quick and easy for everyone to use. So operators can jump right in and start testing without any hassles. But here's the point. In operator permission, we cannot create or edit a simple program. We also can't change any of the parameters. It keeps things consistent and prevents accidental changes that could mess up the production process. Now, let's switch over the maintenance. This one doesn't require a password, so only authorized personnel can access it. It is an extra layer of security for sensitive settings. Once we are in, we can create new programs and change parameters, calibrate sensors, basically anything we need to maintain to optimize the system. It's built for flexibility and deeper system control. To sum up, operators keep things running smoothly, while maintenance users have the permission to make changes, fix issues, and fine-tune permissions. It's all about giving the right people the right level of control, keeping things safe, stable, and efficient.